Hi guys, my name is Lucia and today I am starting a new project pan that is all about samples. If you are new to what project panning is and you don't know what it is, I'm going to leave in the description box an explanation of what project panning is and why I do it. Now usually with project pans I pick stuff from my collection to either use up or pan, but today I am introducing a project all about my samples. Now LS started a project a long time ago called Sample Sunday or hashtag 365 days of samples. That's where she uses samples by the week, and every Sunday or other Sunday she posts a video on her update. I will link her channel down below if you guys are interested. This isn't that. So I'm not going to be posting every Sunday or once a week my progress on this. I just need to use these samples up. It's getting ridiculous. I have had this box under my bed. Actually, okay, story time. I was a part of the 12 Pans of Christmas Project Pan collab in the fall. That was a massive collab. It was with over 100 YouTubers, and I included samples in that, and I went through a lot of samples, and it was great. And I think I got too cocky. I just thought, oh yeah, I'll get to those samples, and now it's March, and I haven't touched them since Christmas. So this needs to happen. I can't have this box under my bed any longer. I am not 100% sure how I'm gonna do this. I think I'm gonna run through with you guys all the samples in this, or a lot of the samples in this, and then next time hopefully I'll use up about half of them and I'll show you guys what I liked and what I didn't, and then hopefully this won't be a super long project. I never even used to get samples, and then last fall during the Sephora sale I made a couple orders, and now ever since I just have a lot of samples. Alright, so we will run through some of them. This is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I know I poop on Too Faced all the time. I drag them through the dirt in my Make Up Your Mind series, but I'm still interested in trying this. It gave me 3 shades. They are all very white. They are called Vanilla, Light Beige, and Sand. So hopefully one of them will work. I've been intrigued by this foundation. I just need to actually remember to use it. This one is kind of sad because this is a sample that I went to the store and got. I was excited enough about this perfume that I asked them for a sample and then I didn't use it. This is the YSL Non-Peri something. He like scribbled. You can't read that. But anyway, this is the sample. If you go to Sephora, they will give you free samples. A little tidbit for you. But yeah, I liked this enough to want a sample, so I want to use it up. I don't think I would buy the full thing because I have a good amount of perfume right there, but I cared enough to get the sample, so I care enough to use it up. I have some more perfume in here. I probably won't like either of these. This is Prada Candy and Blue by Chanel, and usually I hate perfume samples and I throw them away, but I need to smell them and use them once and be like, do I like this? Do I not? I don't want them to sit here. I want to do something with them, whether it's use it up or throw it away. Because if I hate a smell, I'm not going to force myself to use it up. That's just silly. I have this liquid blender cleaner from the Beauty Blender brand. I wash my beauty sponge every day, so there's no reason why I shouldn't use this. I think what stresses me out is that I don't know how to. It's a liquid, but I'm like, do I put the liquid in my hand? Do I put it on the sponge? It's also, there's a lot more in here than you would need for one day, so it's going to be a time, but it's really not that big of a deal, and I just have to use it. That's the trend here. It's not that big a deal. I need to relax and just use up these little samples. Some of them I might give away, like this is the Urban Decay Vice Special Effects lip gloss, I think, and they're these sparkly lip glosses. I don't know, I might give that away. This is a Bumble and Bumble pre-shampoo mask. You have to put it on your hair for 20 minutes before shampooing. I don't know if I'm into that, so I might not keep that. There was one that I was interested in. Oh, here it is. So I got the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess bronzer from Octoly, and it came with this Bronze Goddess liquid bronzer whipped body cream. That's not what I thought it was. I am gonna have to look up how to use this. Oh, and there's a hair. I have a Clinique mask that I want to use. Maybe I'm gonna take some of these on spring break with me and hopefully just get them done there. I have 2 Clinique foundations. I don't know if these will be my shade. We will see. I have some Bite stuff. Where is it? This is just a mess. Okay, here it is. I have the Bite Agave Lip Mask. I actually used up the same thing in that other project, and I did not like it, so I probably won't use this. I'll probably give it away. I have sitting over there a Bite Lip Scrub that I also want to use up. I have this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I used up a deluxe size sample of this about a couple weeks ago. I don't know, but it's fine. It doesn't really do much, but there's not that much in here, and I could definitely use this up. All right, I think that's everything. So those are my samples. It might not seem like that much, but it's a lot. Like when you try to actually think about using these up, it can be very stressful, which is why I just haven't done it yet. I'm just like, no, that sounds too stressful, and then I don't touch it. But I encourage you to do this with me. If you have a box even bigger than this full of samples that are just sitting there, go through it, see what you actually are going to use, give away the rest, and yeah, start this project with me. Let me know if you're gonna do it. Also, if you wanna follow along with LS's project, again, check her out, and let's use up this dang box of samples so that I can get rid of it. Alright guys, that is everything. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Check out my project panning playlist for other project pans, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye!